Hi, I'm Ira Rosen.
And I'm Corey Michael Sanchez. You know, there's one thing on your computer that determines whether or not you're making money. And it's not some kind of weird dashboard with revenue reports, and it's not a sales funnel, and it's not even your bank balance.
It's your calendar. When your calendar's empty, you're in trouble. When it's full, you literally can't get out of the way of all the business pouring in. So let me show you a whole new way to pack your calendar with qualified, motivated, targeted prospects. A way to quickly transform your business. Let's start with a simple foundation every successful business is built on.
You always get quality from quantity. Let's face it, you've got to talk to a lot of people before you find the right people who are eager to do business with you. You know, people who are already looking for what you do. If you shorten this process, you accelerate your growth. And it just can't work any other way. And the numbers don't lie.
So now, thanks to the next leap forward in technology, you can connect in a whole new way with a whole new level of impact. You can cast your lead generation net far and wide, farther and wider than you've ever imagined. Every day you can find 40,000 prospective new clients, and from this number, quickly filter down to the ones you really want, the people who'll be the best fit. There's no Facebook or Google advertising, no SEO stuff, and no complicated technology. Imagine your huge competitive advantage, the ability to compress time. You'll dramatically shrink the amount of time it takes to cover so much ground, so you can compress the lead generation process and shorten the sales cycle. What used to take months, now you can get done in hours. Your world changes. All of a sudden, you have the ability to create quality leads at will. You are gathering highly targeted leads based on your criteria. You do it quickly, inexpensively, and simply.
Accelerate your growth and transform your business with my Big Fat List Builder. Now, if you're wondering how this works, why this breakthrough is suddenly possible, and why haven't you ever seen anything like it before, let me show you. Here's an example. Let's say you're a business coach and your specialty is helping chiropractors grow their practices. And let's say you want to neutralize your competition by being the first one to get to a new chiropractor. Well, you use my Big Fat List Builder to connect with chiropractors who have registered new domain names for new websites in the past week or even the past few days. Now you're first in line. You have first mover advantage and all your competitors are following in your footsteps.
But that's just for starters. Let's say you want to find more chiropractors. You fire up my Big Fat List Builder's Social Connect search tools. You can search the web or narrow down to specific platforms like Twitter.
Do you see how you are now building your own custom database? You grab the contact info you want, filter it down, and automatically export it into a database. As many custom databases as you want. This is a huge business resource. You can even sell these databases and launch your own leads and list business. Well, databases are great, but they've got two problems. First, they need quality data, which means having good names and contact info. My Big Fat List Builder has got you covered on that. But then you need to take action. You've got to do something with this information, and that's where this gets even more interesting. We'll get you set up to send emails and social messages whenever you want, automatically.
My Big Fat List Builder does the work. Email and major social media platforms. You've got a full lineup of integration tools. All you do is decide who you want to reach, how many people you want to reach, and what you want to say to them. Then walk away. You run your business while my Big Fat List Builder fills up your calendar.
Chiropractor, that's just an example. You've got a huge collection of powerful keywords to use to reach whoever you want. And you can target by geography too. Dentists in Delaware, real estate agents in Arizona, plumbers in Pennsylvania. All of this is no problem.
So let's do a reality check, because there's one more thing you need. I want to make sure you understand how everything in your business is about to change. Once and for all, you'll break free of the problem of unmotivated prospects to talk to you. So here's what's vital. Just because you can reach all these people with an automated marketing system doesn't mean they're going to respond. You've got to send the right message, something impossible to resist. This isn't about a way to come up with a bunch of names. It's about a proven system to get all the clients you want whenever you want, so you can stop scrambling and get off that treadmill.
To make this happen even faster, we're giving you access to our private library of proven, extensively tested Mojo marketing messages. Everything you need to encourage people to respond and quickly move a business relationship forward. It's all there. Just copy, paste, and off you go. You've got exclusive access to the same marketing messages that have helped our clients set up more than 10,000 appointments. Here at Mojo, we're a global leader in lead generation. We're the innovators, and we make it easy. We have clients in 30 plus countries, and we're ranked in the top 1% of influencers on LinkedIn. And our mission is to help people like you escape the trap of not enough clients. We're using this to schedule 150 appointments on the calendar every week right now here at Mojo, and we're quickly scaling up.
People like Sharon, Isaac, and John live entirely different lives now. They've put the days of empty calendars behind them. Now, you might be wondering if there's some kind of catch, and in the spirit of being upfront with you, there is. We're not going to give this just to anybody. You'll need to qualify, and we'll need to know you will not abuse this. My Big Fat List Builder is that powerful. And we're not going to let it get in the hands of would-be spammers. There's no buy button at the end of this video. But if you're ethical, above board, and willing to commit to the following guidelines, congratulations. If you want to find out more about exactly how this works, what your modest investment will be, and how much you can do with it, if you're ready to make a move that really is game-changing, schedule a convenient time to talk with us. If you're approved, you are off and running. You'll be able to achieve what only a handful of others can do.
Get rid of the frustration of constantly scrambling for clients. It's the biggest mistake in business. Stop chasing down people that aren't really interested when you know there are people you can really help, but you just haven't been able to connect with. Here's what you do next. Click the button on the page below the video screen and schedule a convenient time to talk to us. And I figure you have some questions about exactly how this works and if my Big Fat List Builder can do specific things that you want it to do for you. There's a lot it can do and a lot of ways it can easily plug into what you've got going on now. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. Let's get into this, and when we talk, we'll get all your questions answered. And let's find out if we're a good fit, because honestly, there's definitely a certain type of marketer we don't want to get their hands on this.
Most of all, let's get you out of the struggles you're in now. Click the button on the page below the screen. Let us know you're interested in learning more so we can show you how quickly you can pack your calendar with people who want what you've got. Thanks for your interest, and thanks for spending a few minutes with us.